Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing Easter basket ideas for this year, what I am planning on giving my kids. I will say there is a few things that I'm planning on getting that I haven't yet. I'm going to order those online, and so I'll go ahead and just tell you those now. I'm planning on getting each of the kids a new pair of sunglasses because in the summer we love having the kids wearing sunglasses. They love wearing them, so we're going to get that. I got Waverly a swimsuit and I'm going to show that to you, but I potentially might get a different one. I'm going to look at Target and see if I like one of theirs better because I'm worried about the sizing. And then I also need to get Wacy one. I'm going to look at Target and then maybe order from Amazon. And if I can't find one in either of those places, I'll go back to Walmart and get the one that I was thinking I would get. So let's go right on ahead and get to showing these Easter baskets. So the first thing that I got. Hi, buddy. Are you going to come join me? It's a good thing you're little and you don't even know what's happening. You want to come say hi? Come here, come say hi. Say hi. You going to come sit right here? You can't touch it. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, hi. Whoa. Okay, don't touch.
No.
Yeah. Okay, can you sit down? Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. You want to come look at this? Okay, come sit and hold this. So first, before I give this to him, I got a big bag of eggs for when the kids. Okay, you have to sit quiet. Yeah, come sit. So I got this because Waverly's in preschool and that's where she's at currently, and we have to bring eggs for her class at the end of March for an Easter egg hunt. So I got some for this, and then I'm also going to stick some in their basket, and then I got some bigger ones for their basket as well. And then I'll probably actually end up having to go to the store again for other Easter egg hunts that we have, but I wanted to make sure I got some for her class until I know kind of future what her plans are. So that's for those things. As far as candy, I got these mainly for the Easter eggs that are going to go for the class. And then if I didn't have enough, I was going to do some of the Smarty ones. Are these sour? Oh no, they just say Easter. So I'll give them these if they... Whoa, dude. Careful! You're going to knock it over. I'll give these to them if there's not enough in there, or maybe I'll add one in because there's a lot more in here. And then I'll fill some of the eggs for them in these. And then I feel like it's just not Easter if you don't get jelly beans, so I just got these Starburst Spring Berry Burst, and these take me back to when we were potty training Waverly, and it kind of makes me sad too, and at the same time, because for my wedding, my grandpa had just passed away, so we had big things of jelly beans that we had sitting out with a picture of him because he had just passed away when we got married, and we had extra, and so we had them. And when Waverly got potty trained, that was like our little incentive, is every time she went to the bathroom, hey, no, we don't want to touch. No, thank you. Every time she would go to the bathroom, she got to get a jelly bean. So every time I see jelly beans, that kind of makes me think of when she got potty trained, and then also just of my grandpa because jelly beans were his absolute favorite. So had to get these because it's not Easter without them. And then I mainly got these for my husband and I, but I'm also going to sprinkle in probably a few for the kiddos. So I believe that was like all the candy I got. I didn't go too crazy with it, just, you know, a few things. And so far this has all been at Walmart. Okay, so this is more Wacy's things that I got at Walmart. Sorry if the camera is moving everywhere because of Wacy, but Wacy's figured out he loves crayons and pens, so I wanted to get him his own coloring book because he's just been using Waverly's and they're girly. So I got him this little Spidey one so that way he can color that. They didn't have a big selection. I didn't really want to go find other coloring books, so that's what we got. And then I thought this was so cute. It's like the little Easter eggs that match the shapes, and I thought this would be perfect for his age. I am so sorry. This is a very chaotic video. I was not planning on having it be like this. Oh, I lied. I had more candy. So I got them each little peeps based on their color of grass that I got them. You'll see that in a second. I think Lacey will like the peeps. I mean, it's a marshmallow. He's going to, let's be real. And then I got him some blue grass as well to kind of go with. And I also forgot to mention, I have Easter baskets for them already that we previously used. I need to get those out though. I'll get them out when we decorate for Easter. Oh, that's for Hobby Lobby. I'm doing that. Those are for when I decorate for Easter, so I make sure that they're actually good, so I can get those before they sell out. And that's why I'm getting it out these early, because they do sell out of stuff. So I got Waverly this Lilo and Stitch coloring book because she does love Lilo and Stitch and she loves coloring. And then something else I got for her is some chalk, and I actually might rearrange this because I think I have an extra thing. I thought I was doing them even and then I didn't, so I'll probably give maybe this to Wacy depending on how things go. I mean, let's be real, it's all gonna end up they're playing it together, but just to kind of make things more even. He is really, oh, there's the rest of hers. So then I got her the pink peeps and then some pink grass. So I believe that was everything from Walmart. And then the other day we went to Hobby Lobby, and my main reason was going, hey buddy, let's not touch. My main reason of going was because I knew that they had kids toy, like kids, what's the word? Like toys. So I wanted to see what they had so I could get them a few things. And instantly Waverly gravitated towards these. So I got them each little bubble guns. I thought they would be perfect. And then they aren't fighting, because I know they will. They can each have their own. So I got those. And then we have a sandbox, and this year we are definitely going to be getting sand in it so we can play. And Waverly loved this one. It was $8.99, and all of their spring toys and just spring in general is 40% off. As I'm filming it, whoa, dude. It might go to 50% off. Oh, is he recording? Okay. This is chaotic. I'm so sorry. I'm making sure I don't need to go get Waverly too. Okay, good. So we're definitely going to get the sandbox, and this one's cute because it's like ice cream thing. So got that for Waverly. And then the other things that I got at Hobby Lobby was this bubble like wand where you can do different shapes, because Waverly loves bubbles. And then it comes with a little tray, you can't see it, but I need to get like a bubble tub and then a chalk tub once we open these. And then I thought this was way cute for Wacy. We could either put it into the bathtub or we could put it in our pool when we set that up. So I thought that was cute. I was going to get him sand toys, but I couldn't find any that were that great. And then something else that I just thought was cute that I grabbed just mainly for my decorations was this cute little carrot. It was, or I guess carrots, and it was $8.99. And then the last thing that I got is this swimsuit that I mentioned before. It's this little one piece, but it has the long sleeves. I like to get a variety of different kinds of swimsuits, especially like the long sleeves. It's nice to have for when we're going to be out on the boat for long days, or, you know, just having a variety. Hey, dude, my camera settings are going to be all screwed up. But this was from us, and it was $10.99. And like I said, I just don't know if the 7/8 is going to fit her. We got a different swimsuit for her the other day, so I need to have her try that on and see based on that if the sizing will fit. But that's kind of the gist of what I got them. Like I said, I'm going to get them sunglasses as well as Wacy's swimsuit. But I hope you guys got some ideas of what you can get your kids. And no, if you don't get them a 10, that's totally okay. Or if you go more, that's fine. Last year we ended up getting Waverly a scooter. This year, I don't know, we've talked about getting a maybe bikes because they both kind of need, well, Wacy needs a bike and then Waverly just needs a bigger one. So we will see if we end up doing that, or if we just get it, you know, for just in general, just get it for them. But I think I'm not going to set them up yet because we are going to use the baskets up until Easter. So I think for now I'm going to end it here. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching, and I hope you guys got some ideas. Let me know what you're getting your kids down in the comments below, so that way we can share ideas with everyone else. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.